It's here. It's here. It's here. I'm waiting for help, but it's here. Hopefully, it's in one piece. So we'll see how it goes. So, like you saw on the description or the title of this video, I'm gonna be ensemble this treadmill that I bought online. Basically it says that it's weighed like 60 pounds. As you saw, I was able to pull that by myself. So it's not as heavy as can sound. Yeah. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, it's not as heavy. Well, I thought it was, but like you saw, it's not. I bought this online, like I said. It's gonna be linked down below. It's on my Amazon store, so you can click the link and check it out for yourself. And like I was saying, I think it was at Amazon. Yeah, I saw this on Amazon, and I started doing my research because the reviews, it didn't have a lot of them, so I started to make research. I saw that other websites have this same one, so I jumped the gun and bought it. It got here really fast. I got a deal. I think it was $20 off, so basically under $300 is, for me, it's a steal. And to be honest, I was a little bit skeptic because of that price and not so many reviews, but I can say by the time I'm doing this editing and the upload of this video, I've been using it a lot. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already saw my first impression of this treadmill. So, and by the way, if you're not following me, you are missing a lot. If you see this, is that I have my Apple Watch and I'm controlling the camera from my watch, because I'm using my iPhone to record this video because my camera didn't have any battery left. So if you see some zooming in, zooming out, I'm so sorry about that. I didn't realize that it was doing that, and also I lost a lot of footage because of that. I'm gonna put a clip of the footage that I lost. So, like I was saying, I lost footage. I did record afterwards, so you're gonna see a change of clothing in the middle of this. But yeah, pretty simple to ensemble, pretty fast. I have no complaints about that. I'm gonna explain it by the end of this video. Also, it comes with all the necessary parts to ensemble it and function. For example, this is the key, safety key. This pack over here has the instructions. Try to open it up, but yeah, these are the instructions that I didn't read or didn't read. This is the oil for the actual belt, if it's that it's called. And also this tool, this is the one that I use, or you use, to adjust the handle. And this goes on one side of the handles. And this is the footage that I was telling you about. Here I'm basically ensemble or adjusting the handles of the treadmill. Super easy, super fast. It has like a learning curve, but I'm a pro now. Because you have to adjust it over there, and also the handles, you have to adjust it separately. But like I said, easy, simple, and I'm pretty sure if you read the instruction, you will figure it out faster than me. And like I told you before, it's not as heavy. I have back issues, and I can move this without any problems or any back pain on the next day or the same day. And everything comes, like you saw at the beginning, really protected. I think a little bit too much because it was a lot of plastic, a lot of foam, and all that stuff. So here, like you see, that's the cable, that's the cord for Oh, see again? I didn't realize that it was doing it again, so I'm so sorry for that. So this is it, you guys. 20-minute tops. I didn't read the instruction because it's pretty, I think, intuitive. I did check because I felt this a little bit flimsy, but it was what I was expecting. I had to like adjust this baby over here, but pretty much that's it. This is how it looks like. I was looking for something simple, so that's why I got this one. Pretty self-explanatory. Play, stop. This is the basic. This is preset. You want to do 2 miles per hour, 3, 4. I don't know if it's 3 miles per hour. This is how fast. Number 6. I don't think I will be using that preset because it's pretty fast. But yeah, it goes down gradually, so I like that option. This is if you want to go up manually in low increment, go down. This is the safety key. Yep, it does work. So yeah, this is it, you guys. I'm gonna be doing a deep review soon after I do some usage of this. Let me turn it off because it will keep beeping. There you go. So like I was saying, I'm gonna do a in-depth review after a few usage, and I'll let you know how it went. So this is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you like it. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to do more videos like this, trying workout equipments. I'm doing a video right now reviewing a fitness app, so let's stay tuned for that one. I'm gonna be like doing like a mini series on that, so make sure to follow me and ring that bell to be able to see when that video comes up. And yeah, that's it again for this video. Remember, sharing is caring, and don't forget, be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye bye.